In this video, I'm going to explore how to enable your workshops and qualifications to display online, either through the WordPress plugin or your custom API integration. First, I'll start with how to enable your workshops to successfully display on your website. I'm going to hover over courses and then head to workshop types. I'm going to find the workshop type I wish to display on my website and click its name. Now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of my Update Workshop Type page and locate the Display in Bookings Calendar option and set it to Yes, and do the same for the Web Outline Accessible option. After ensuring I've set both of these options to Yes, I'm going to hit Submit and save my changes. As a result, this workshop type should now be accessible on my website. As a side note, wanting to remove any workshop types from appearing on your website is as simple as reverting these settings back to no. Now I'm going to explore how to make qualifications successfully display on your website. I'm going to hover over courses and press qualifications. I'm going to find the qualification I wish to display on my website and select it like so. Inside my Update Qualification page, I'm going to locate the Display Web Outline checkbox and tick it. After doing so, I'm going to hit Submit to ensure my changes are saved. Again, if you wish to remove your qualification from being available through your website, it's as simple as unselecting this checkbox again. Removing these from being able to be viewed online is as simple as going back and reverting these setting changes.